What's up guys? Welcome back to Tacos and Wheels. Today we're making some
Korean short rib tacos.
And we're also doing a tire swap on the truck. Since last video you saw that I lifted it actually I leveled it. I lifted it 2.5 inches from the front, and today we're actually gonna install some, they're 305 70s R16s, which is almost a 33 in the front. And the taco, since it's been a while since we actually did a taco showing or eating in the actual videos, so there you go. Oh, you seem oddly tall. That could be either a success or a fail.
A big fail.
Because we don't know if the pan that we bought is good for the oven. So I guess you will find out with us. Okay guys, so those are the wheels that I bought for the truck. It has some neutral tires, and they're 305 70 R16s on a 16x10 wheel. And there's the truck right there. But first we have our gloves on because we're gonna clean them. We're gonna use some purple power and some nitro wheel cleaner that I actually bought from, believe it or not, Ross. But it worked really well with the X5 wheels, so I'm gonna reuse them again. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. As you can see, this wheel and this wheel are dirty. So I think they're like the ones that were on the front. And then this one and this one, they look really clean. So I'm gonna focus on these two wheels first, and this one, so that they will all look the same. Yeah, it's just like brake dust or something. Let me bring you a rag. I think another one. Okay. Yeah, from everyone, because they're like dirty.
That's not dirty.
Nope, that's not good. Oh, but I have to polish the wheels, but that's gonna be something for a different video.
Go.
There you go. All the wheels are clean. And they're gonna look pretty good on that truck right there. Hey guys, so look who just came in.
Hello.
He actually just came back.
I'll sell you some Hot Wheels.
Yeah, it's a car parts, Hot Wheels kind of show. And you can sell everything from tires, wheels, and dimensions, and Hot Wheels and stuff. So he goes every first Sunday of the month. Last Sunday of the month. And yeah, he just came
It's
back
actually
from there.
like 5 minutes from here, so.
Yeah.
Alright.
And we're starting the process of this.
Man, these are sweet. Those are nice. They're gonna look dope. I don't know if I've showed you guys my truck. That's my truck. That's my daily. It's got a ugly paint job. I mean, it needs a paint job, excuse me. As you can see there. That's my daily. And David can start using this as his daily, I think. Nothing but 4 trucks, gentlemen and ladies.
Trucks. And all kinds of cars here.
Yep. 300. X5, the M3. 330's over there chilling. Camaro. Oh, that's my wife's Escape. I was gonna say what she calls it all the time. The broom broom. ¿Se te cayó?
I didn't put it right.
Oh, because you know how that last time we were messing with the Jackson, it was all weird.
Yeah, but right now
Did you tighten it up or?
it's working all right. I need to like do it like on the low side. But since this truck is tall now,
Con la breca así.
it's a little sketchy.
Pero,
That's fine. I've been working on it like this.
yeah, we live dangerously, guys. No jack stands, no blocks.
Right now we're actually just gonna install the wheel, but we're gonna have to take it off again because we're gonna have to grind the bumper a little bit. Because when I installed them, I turned all the way to the left on that side, no, to the right on that side, and actually, yeah, to the left, and the tire rubbed on the bumper. So now we're gonna have to do a little bit of surgery.
Or we call it here in El Paso, jale chicano.
Yep. I could also remove the bumper and add some spacers to the bumper, but I think it's easier to just cut it.
It's always easier just to cut it.
It's always easier just to take out the grinder.
It's always easier and funner.
Yeah. And more dangerous.
You want to lower your car? What do you mean? What do you mean put some lowering kit? Just cut it. No, I'm
Just
just
put the
playing.
springs, bro. Just like saw with the
That'll,
wagon.
yeah, that'll make sense because we had a video where we put lowering springs in my wagon. But there will be more videos coming soon. I've just been super busy. David's been gone. I don't know what I'm doing when he's not here.
Actually, not.
Man, how's it gonna look sweet, man?
Let's paint this babies. Well, here comes the fun part. Damn,
I would help you, but I'm holding the phone.
Actually, can you lift up the jacket
Must-
some more? I think that should be good.
It's actually kind of tilting, man.
Yeah, that should be good. That's why I need to go to the gym.
Do you even lift, bro?
No.
Alright, so this is how much he's rubbing on me. Well, oh. Well, it's actually, did you feel the pressure? Oh, it's because it looks funny, man. I'm tripping over here. Go ahead, man. The sun's killing me. When you started turning, I thought you were feeling it right there.
Oh man, it looks fantastic.
Go ahead. It's just the plastic, really.
On the other side, it was the comfort.
Do it again. Stop. Ah, la mera puntita era. Well, it's not really, but
When it like goes lower on this shock, it's gonna rub. I gotta cut it the other way.
you wanna look at it, measure it, or what?
Let's put these wheels to see if it will tilt a little bit more. Let's put the rear wheels.
You wanna do the job right? Okay. My bad. I thought you were just gonna bust the salad, start cutting crap.
Let's install the rear wheels so that it will tilt up a little bit more, as it did lift the truck 3 more
Yeah.
inches.
It did, man. Look at that. This one looks sweet. Probably, this is my favorite pickup. This is a 95. I used to have a 92.
No, this is a 94. It's
94?
the same from the 94 to 96.
Well, I had a 92. My favorite style of pickups. I sold mine. I regret it every day. Well, mine was an F250, but it was not a diesel. It was a gas truck. Gas guzzler, but it was fun. David was about to start grinding without safety glasses. Look.
I don't have gloves, so
CTR 101.
let's see how this goes.
Safe.
It's not. This,
All right, this is where the do not try this at home comes up.
yeah.
Yeah, you ready for this? Go for it.
Oh yeah? See?
With
ready.
homemade
We
sauce. Alright, we're just gonna get you shredding and we'll be right back. Throw some of our chopped vegetables that I just chopped, some carrots, some Brussels sprouts, some kale, throw it in there. Mix it around. Get it all there together with some of our homemade sauce. There we go, friends. Some Korean barbecue tacos. Some short rib Korean barbecue tacos.
Why are you recording?
You're recording this? Oh, well then I can put sauce. I'm hungry. I don't care if people hear me. That's fine. A ver si es cierto que no. She cooks really good.
Try.
What was this sauce again?
It's just Korean barbecue sauce.
Just show.
It's pretty good. It is pretty good. Not gonna lie.
Really good.
Pretty good.
Alright guys, stay tuned to Tacos and Wheels.
Oh, give me a drink. What's your choke?
Careful.
Do I keep going down?
Dale todo hasta abajo. So this is the final outcome on this side. The tire doesn't rub anymore, but this other side is just bad. Ya dale.
Go ahead. Other way. Other way. Other way. Slow. Yeah, it's still a little bit.
Negro?
Back a little bit though.
Dale para
This
acá,
way. Right.
para el otro lado.
Right now.
Ya no puedes apagar. Ya no te creas. Dale vuelta para todo, para este lado. Ahí está bien. Super Anders.
All right. Test.
Dale. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was gonna be pretty long because it took a while for me to change the tires because they were pretty heavy, and the food took a while too. It was actually pretty good. I hope you
It was
guys
really good.
like this video, and we will see you soon. Hey, Dada!